Hello, in this video I will make a full review how to set the climate control. If you watch my video on my channel, the last radio I have installed was a Tesla head unit from China. This unit work with the climate on the Blaupunkt NX, and when you install the new climate, do not work. In this video I will show you how to set the program ELM to work the climate. I'm not a pro. This is what I share with you, my experience, and I will think that help someone. So from the start, my beginning, this is my LME, the program. This is my OBD, and now in here you put it this way, press hard, put your cable on the USB. Now put the engine, the ignition. How you see, this will work. I'll leave it on. And now start your LME program. Every time I put with administrator to not have problem. Here FDI, mondeo, open port. Yes, from the start. Here, body console module, read. I hope this is saying here. And now go to the procedure and put read from BSB. He will ask you okay, and this is your symptom on your car. Now he was reading. My climate is working. Go to the central configuration on the page 4. You see that I have put Navi low. If you don't work, that means that you have Navi before. I'll put in the test to see how my climate now is work. If I change this for the Navi high, will not work. Go to BSB and now put right.
Daddy.
Okay. And this moment you will change the settings in your car. How you see now, the climate control is not working. I don't know if you hear a sound. The climate it work, but in automatic speed. In automatic speed. Now my climate, I cannot tell that is not working, it's broken. But I figure out this is because it's from the, when you choose here the Navi high level, is the next model of Blaupunkt that will come with free zone that have navigation, and the climate control. You have a separate module for the climate control who that not have the button. from here, the button from here. And when you choose this high level, it means that they have the climate control with no button. Now, in order to change, we put, because this radio have a navi, so we have to choose a navi and put the low level from the navi. How can you see here? You have two to choose, navi low and high. I put low. This is low. I go to BSME and I put again right. Okay. And now, how you see the climate is not working. After you finish this, it's done. Now the climate control is not working. It's working. So this is my experience and I want to share with you guys. I will put the link from the forum on the forum for talk, because a lot of people have problem with this change of climate, and no one figure out. Today I figure out how to solve this problem, and I hope will help someone. In these days I will make another video with the module from Bluetooth for this radio, because my last radio, original Blaupunkt NX, I sell it, and now this is buy it from the Wallapop, from the second hand, and again I buy another module to put the original from, because from the China unit, all the crap on the China. I hope no one buy unit, because they are so cheap, and the sound and the problem, every day you have a problem. So in these days, when my model will come, I will make another video, and I hope I figure out to put the setting right to work, because this is a radio from another owner, the model is from another owner, and I hope together they'll work. I will make video, I will post it on YouTube and the forum talk for. Okay, so goodbye.